Hey, welcome back to the Amusement Archive. We're at Tony's Town Square restaurant. We're gonna go inside, show you around, have some food, show you the gift shop. Let's go. Look, it's on the window. Got the Tony's Town Square restaurant menu. It's got your traditional Italian stuff on it. Pretty cool. It's pretty awesome sculpture in the middle of the dining room. Got this cool little painting here with the cheese wheels. Now it looks like just a screenshot from the movie or something. But pretty cool setup in Tony's. It's got pictures all around the dining room. So you've got the Shrimp Scampi, looks good. Got the chicken al forno.
Is there anything I can bring at the moment?
Got the kids' meat sauce and meatballs.
I'm gonna go grab that to the pickups. Sorry about the ribs. Thank you.
Got these Tiramisù Cannolis here. They look super good. The kids got some free ice cream and a cupcake. How awesome. Got some cool statues in the gift shop here. Got those little boxes here. Super cool with the scenes in them. Pretty awesome. Got some gold statues. Love that Figment one right there. Super cool. Got some little figures here. I've never seen those before. Those are awesome. I don't know how much they cost. $29.99, not bad. Check that out. Little card. Look at that. Haunted Mansion. Got some cool paintings here. Got some statues. Wow, look at that. Sunshine Tree Terrace sign. I wonder if that's a reproduction, probably, I think. I love this thing. Look at this print with Expedition Everest, and it's got the Yeti on it. Super cool. And we got Mr. Toad right here. Deed of Grant, Toad Hall. Here's some little castles. And then you got Oswald back there, pretty cool. The Art of Disney. Pretty cool design there. Got some more statues. Country bears. Then some prints down here. Got a cool button-up shirt, a canvas, another shirt. Look at this milestone statue, Mickey Mouse. Got some more prints over here. And we found it. We found the Oswald Funko Pop finally. Check it out, park exclusive. Oswald the Lucky Rabbit Funko Pop. Pretty cool. Got some other vinyl figures down there, some postcards. And we got, looks like some journals, some pens, autograph books. Pretty cool. At the box office gifts right outside of Tony's restaurant. Wow, such an awesome classic restaurant here at Disney World. Food was good. Just the atmosphere was cool. Lady and the Tramp's my wife's favorite movie, so she really wanted to eat here, so it was cool that we got to do it. Check it out. Cool stuff in the gift shop. Thanks for taking a trip with the Amusement Archive. Got tons of videos, so check the playlist. Find us something you're interested in. Have some fun watching some videos. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walkthroughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.